We made a fan out of a broken toy. This is a motor from a toy car, and then we that stopped working for some reason, and then we taken that motor with just a battery, cut it out, and attached a fan with the help of a glue gun. There was a broken fan from some other toy. Okay, it was just attached here with the help of a glue gun, and then now put the battery, and then now it's working as a handheld fan. Look, I'm just going to put the switch on here. You get a nice breeze. It works. Yeah, I'm going to stop it.